Are you a Coldplay fan?
Definitely.
Yeah, of course. I mean, Coldplay is love.
Of course, yes.
Yes. Name any two members from Coldplay.
Chris Brown.
Big fan, big fan, big fan.
So let's solve this problem. So recently, when Coldplay came to India to perform, there was a massive demand but very little supply of the tickets. So allegedly, the booking aggregator BookMyShow was allegedly gatekeeping some of the tickets to resell them later. People were buying with the sole intention of reselling those tickets. This created a loss for both the artist as well as the consumer. So our goal is to prioritize people who actually listen to Coldplay over those who don't even know the names of the band members. So let's see how we are doing this. Okay, so this is the organizers dashboard. We will just log in and we can create an event. We can click on create event, and in the meanwhile let's go to the users dashboard. Here we will again log in, and okay, so we can see the event here. So how are we actually solving this problem? How do we know that okay, this person is actually listening to Coldplay, or this person is an actual fan or not? So we are doing this using OAuth. So the person comes in, logs in with Spotify, OAuth, I agree, and yeah, now I can book the tickets. So now we are connecting to Spotify, we are getting the relevant data, if the user is actually listening to Spotify or not. We are fetching the number of playlists that are related to the artist, and we are calculating like basically a fan score, and we are attesting this fan score using True Network, and we are sending that attested data on chain. So I am in the top 66% of the fans, and my fan score is 5. I can verify this fan score attestation over here. Yeah, here I can verify, and I can also view this on Basecamp. Yeah, verification successful, and here's my transaction. So now my status is applying. So now we can go back to the organizer, we can go back to their events, we can view this event, and now let's distribute the tickets. So ideally what will happen is there will be an apply period, let's say from 5th December to 7th December, and between this time many people can apply, and the priority, instead of randomizing it like how BookMyShow's provider Qit does it, we are setting a fan score, and deciding like which who will come in the priority before the other. So for now, let's distribute the tickets. The admin distributes the tickets. This will ideally be automatically done when the cutoff date is done. So whoever gets the ticket, so now I can go to my events. So whoever gets the ticket will get their NFT over here, and congratulations on getting in. And we can again view this NFT on chain. I can go to my tickets as well and see my ticket is here. So now using OAuth and a reusable layer. So our ticket protocol supports Spotify for now, but we have written it in a format that today it supports Spotify, tomorrow it can use Apple Music, it can use YouTube Music, and so on and so forth. So how this is happening is, we first of all we are sending attestations on chain, and second our future plan is to kind of use Chainlink Oracle functions to fetch off-chain data on chain. So this idea can be even extended further from here. So it can be used to used for hackathons with sign in with Devfolio and so on and so forth. So it is like a generic ticket protocol. So now with this we are solving the first part of it, that okay, so you know at least who Coldplay band members are, you have heard a few songs of them from them, and now let's go to the second part, where when you resell the ticket, a percentage of this ticket will actually go to the creator or the artist in this case. So when the ticket owner clicks on sell ticket, this ticket is listed in the marketplace. So let's assume now that someone else comes in the marketplace and wants to purchase this ticket. So they can just purchase this ticket off the marketplace, and yeah, I think the transaction is open. Okay, and once this ticket is sold, a percentage of the royalty is sent to the artist. So this is powered by ERC2981 royalty protocol, and we also have an upper bound on the resale of tickets. So this is our use case of the ticket protocol.